We go to the B part of the question, which says an interior angle of a regular polygon is 135 degrees. Work out the number of sides a polygon has. What you would apply is the formula that has to do with one interior angle of a regular polygon, because you're given the interior angle, and that formula carries the relationship between the number of sides n and an interior angle of a regular polygon. So with the formula you can find the number of sides n. The formula says n minus 2 in brackets 180 over n should equal the interior angle, which is 135 degrees in this case. We can cross multiply. You can make this 135 over 1, then cross multiply. But standard in math, to get this n off first, you multiply both sides by n. But the result is still same as saying this over 1, then you cross multiply. You have 1 times n minus 2 in bracket times 180. Anything times 1 is that same thing. 50 times 1 is 50, 100 times 1 is 100, 5 times 1 is 5. So any value times 1 is still that same value. So you have this as n minus 2 in brackets 180 equals, on the other side you have n times 135, that will give you 135n. It's just simply algebra. You created the algebraic expression to work on by applying the formula. Now all you need to do is just to solve the math. If you want to divide both sides by 180 to make it a bit complex, so it's best in this case to open the bracket with the 180. 180 times n is 180n minus, then 2 times 180 will give you 360 equals 135n. This 180 has an n and this 135 too has n. So they are like terms. You collect like terms. You take this minus 360 over the equal sign, it turns to plus 360. But standard in math, you say add 360 to both sides to get it to the other side. But to make math easy, you just simply say 180n, then the plus 135n crosses and becomes minus 135n equals 360. As the negative 360 crosses the equals sign, it turns to positive 360. You have 180n minus 135n. It's like saying 3n minus 1n to give you 2n. It's just that the values are large. 180n minus 135n will give you 45n. It's just algebra. You can just do 180 minus 135, you get 45, then just add an n to it. So you have 45n equals 360. We're looking for n, so we divide both sides by 45 to get the 45 off the n. 45 cancels 45, n equals 360 over 45. 360 divided by 45 will give you 8. So the answer to question B is 8. So the regular polygon is an octagon.